Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a new student. He is actually practicing for his driving test as usual. So he's not brand new, he's practicing. His test is tomorrow. So I'm gonna run through, we've been practicing, so I'm gonna run through one more time so you can see how well he's doing, and then his test will be tomorrow. So before I get into all of that, just go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. If you are new to the channel, I would welcome you to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you come back, keep coming back as often as possible, because I have videos that are extremely helpful if you're trying to learn to drive. So just tell your friends about the channel. Alright, so let's get into this video. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, and press the brake. So you'll press the brake to make sure the brake lights are working. Alright, then they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel? What else do you do? Put the car in park.
Emergency brake, and you turn the car on.
Okay, cool. Alright, so now we're practicing at an area that is not necessarily the actual DMV test, so I can show you, what we're doing outside of the car. So, when we're doing the actual exact DMV thing, we can't show outside. Here we can show outside. Alright, so we're gonna reverse from here, and you're gonna back up until your mirror, this mirror here and the mirror over there, is at the end of the line. So back up until your mirror is at the end of the parking lot line. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, like about here, you're going to stop and turn all the way to the right, and then you're going to reverse until your mirror here is in the middle of this area. Stop about there. Alright, put the car in drive again, and you're gonna go up to this end of this area. It's gonna be a stop sign. At the driving test one, it's gonna be a stop sign. There is a stop sign here, but it's on the ground, right?
Oh,
so you're gonna you're just gonna stop completely. 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna make a right turn. Take your time, just nice and easy. Make sure your mirror is past the curb, so you're sure your back wheel will not hit the curb, right? So we're gonna stop here, and again you're gonna go up until your mirror is past the curb, and you're gonna turn right. Alright, so we're gonna go down to the end of this road to the stop sign, and you're going to make a right turn. This guy's parked right there. That space is not supposed to be for no little car like that. Alright, signal right. So remember, every time that they tell you to turn right or turn left, you signal. Always signal. Always make sure you come to a complete stop. Stop and count. 1, 2, 3. Again, you're gonna go up until your mirror is past the curb to make sure that your back wheel does not touch the curb. And we're gonna go straight down here to the third space where the cones are. Alright, so you're gonna go up here and you're gonna make a right turn. Signal right, and again you're gonna go up until you're past the mirror here is past the curb. Make sure you're past the curb before you turn. Alright, straighten up here, and you're gonna pull down a little bit and then stop about here. Alright, so we're gonna speed up and then reverse, right? So they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20 miles per hour and do a sudden stop, like it's an emergency stop, right? So go ahead, speed up to 20, push it down fast, and stop. Okay, just like that. Now they're gonna ask you to reverse in a straight line. So you're gonna go straight back. Alright, so look behind you and go straight back. You're gonna go straight back until I tell you to stop. Keep going. Keep the wheel as straight as possible. And try to go straight back. Keep going. Alright, that's about it. Stop right there. Now they're gonna tell you to go up and park in between these cones right here. So we're gonna go close to the right side. Always closer to the right side. Closer is better. Don't go into the parking space, but come close to the right. And we're gonna park in these cones. So you're gonna go up until your mirror is literally lined up with the first cones. Like about there. Signal left. Put it back in drive. Turn all the way left. Nice and easy. And you roll forward, no gas. Just take your time, nice and slow. And as you get past this first cone, you start. Don't rush to straighten up. Straighten up in the middle. One more turn, right there. And you see what I'm saying? You're in there. That's pretty good. You know what I mean? Alright, so reverse from here. And now, again, you're going to keep the wheel perfectly straight like that as you back out. So you back out until your mirror is past the cones. Then turn all the way to the left. Alright, stop about there. Make sure you're not backed into the parking space here. Because again, we have to assume that there are cars in all of these parking spaces, right? So go ahead and we're gonna go down here and make a right turn. Alright, so you make sure you signal left. And you're going to stop here like it's a stop sign. Obviously there's a stop sign on the ground, but where the test is, there will be an actual stop sign. So you're going to make a left turn here, and then you're going to do your 3-point turn. So pull close to the right side. Do it slow, nice and easy. Alright, straighten up here and stop. Alright, signal left, turn all the way to the left. And you're gonna look over your left shoulder and go forward. You're gonna stop before you go over here. Stop about here. Stop. Put the car back in reverse and turn all the way to the right. And then we're gonna reverse again. And then you're gonna reverse here until your mirror gets to the end of the line. Like about here. Stop here. Put the car back in drive. Signal left again. So during the 3-point turn, you're literally signaling 2 times, right? You go left, you signal. When you reverse and you go left again, you signal. All right? So we're gonna go over here. Just turn down this one right here. And then we're gonna park. And then I'm gonna end this video because that would be basically the end of the test, right? So just park up anywhere over here. Let's try to line up the mirror again with the first line. Stop about there, signal left, turn all the way to the left, and roll into the parking space. Nice and easy. So you go until you get to the middle of the space right here, and then you straighten up and pull in. Turn the wheel one more time. No, the other way. Right there. And then pull straight in. Alright, cool. Put the car in park. Alright, so yeah. As you see, you know, he did well. His test is tomorrow. I'm pretty sure he's gonna pass his test. So
I gotta work on the turning.
Yeah, you're kind of rushing on the turns. You just gotta slow down a little bit turning, but you're doing fine. You're just rushing like that when you're turning. So you just gotta slow it down and turn nice and easy. But yeah, you will pass. Just listen to the instructions that they tell you and follow instructions. So yeah, you see how he did. So I'm gonna end the video here. So again, I want you to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I know there's a lot of people watching.
I gotta subscribe.
Yeah, you didn't subscribe yet,
no,
bro?
I gotta subscribe. I'm gonna do that when I get back.
Of course, because I checked my analytics this week, and dude, it's only 13% of the people watching.
Yeah, a lot of people
that is actually subscribing. People are just watching. Everybody's telling me how great the videos are. But if the videos are great and it helps you, please subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the only payment you're giving to me is by subscribing to the channel. Like I'm making these videos, I'm buying these really expensive cameras, I'm taking the time to make the videos. I'm editing the videos. I'm posting the
You
videos.
never know, you might have a friend or family member that needs.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, it helps a lot of people. All I ask in return is that you subscribe to the channel. So go ahead and subscribe, share with your friends, hit that notification bell so you know when I post the videos, the numbers could go up. So you know, YouTube will recommend the videos. The more people that watch the videos initially when you post it, the more likely that they will share the video. You know what I mean? You will be one of those video that suggested videos on YouTube. YouTube suggests the videos that are popular, and the quicker you get likes and views, the more likely that they will share it. So you know, like the video and share the video. All right, again, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.